Welcome back to the video. Here I'll be showing you how to optimize and scale. So when you're in this interface, you just need to click on this section where it's written as columns. Click here and you go to performance and click. And for a few seconds. Then these are what you need to check for. You need to check for the click-through rate. If your click-through rate is below 1%, you need to optimize. Then you also need to check for the cost per lead. Your cost per lead, you have to compare it to your profit margin. So if the cost per lead is so high, if the click-through rate is so low, there might be three issues. So the first one might be the budget. Your budget is too small. The second might be your creative. You don't have a good creative. And the third might be the audience. There's no proper targeting. There's no proper targeting. Now I'll be showing you how to retarget the people that watch your ads, your video. Let's say, for example, this is your second ad. The first ad you run, let's say 1 month ago, people interacted with your page and you want to target those people. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So you just click on the current ad, you go to edit, wait for a second, and you will go straight to the ad set level. And you click on ad set, then you come down. Then over here you see create, then you click here and you see which people who already have interacted with your business. Then you click on this. Now you can target people that already interacted with your Instagram page, Facebook page, shopping, interacted with your video, interacted with your website. For website, this is where the event manager comes in. You have to connect. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to connect this. But once it's connected, the same way we get here, the same way we got to this place, that's the same thing we're going to do. I'm not going to repeat this, but it's basically the same thing. So if I have to do websites, we just click on website. But now I've not showed you yet. So let's just go to Instagram. So click on Instagram, then you click next. Then you can see, look at the event. There's so many options. See, everyone who engage with this professional account, so you can retarget everyone that actually got to this Instagram account previously. There are so many options here. You can read it. So let's go with this one. Just leave it like that. See retention for 365 days. So we can say the let's target people that went to our Instagram, let's say a month ago, 31 days. I will name this audience. So let's say Instagram audience. I will click on create audience and then done. Click on done. So now we have the audience. So these ads, when you publish these ads will really show which people that interacted with your Instagram account. Likewise, what I said for the website. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to connect your website. But I will not be showing you, I will not be repeating this. So let's just show you once again. So you click here, custom audience, website. I have my website connected already. You see website tracking name. You can name it as website and just click on create audience. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye for now.